So I will show you today how to kill the mosquito larva.
A dengue fever outbreak in Bangladesh has killed at least 8 people this year and sickened more than 13,000. Over 1,000 of those cases were diagnosed over the last 24 hours.
Hi, it's a wonderful sunny day in Chattogram, Bangladesh. I'm Kaiyum Ahmed. I'm a freelancer and welcoming you to my video. Currently, I'm working for Best Custom Screens and I'm working there as a digital operations manager. Actually, my boss instructed me to do a video, DIY video, to kill the mosquito larvae. So let's get started. So for this DIY project, you'll have to have hand gloves. Make sure you are wearing your hand gloves and a mask, obviously. And I have a beautiful spray bottle over here filled with phenyl. I will kill the mosquito larvae with phenyls. Okay, so you can purchase it from daraz.com. It will cost approximately 500 taka or $5. Okay, so let's get started. So I will spray the phenyl on the stagnant water first. I have a drain over here, outside drain at my home. You can see so many stagnant water on the drain. So I will spray the phenyl on the stagnant water now. Make sure you are covering all the area. So this is the other part of the drain. I am making sure every area of the drain is getting covered with the phenyl. So I can see some flower pots over there. Let's check if there are stagnant waters. Yeah, see there are some stagnant waters over here. So I'll spray phenyl on them now. So I'm done with today's DIY project. I would like to request all the Bangladeshis out there to keep their premise clean and all the surroundings of your house, make them clean. So no mosquitoes are born over there. Thank you very much for watching the video. I would like to request you to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.